Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can use PageFly on Shopify. So PageFly is a popular Shopify app that allows users to create custom web pages, including landing pages, product pages, and home pages using a simple drag and drop interface. So PageFly is compatible with most Shopify themes and integrates seamlessly with various apps, enhancing both the aesthetics and functionality of your online stores. Right. So first up, you just need to go to your Chrome website and then log in with your account. Now here on the dashboard, you just have to click on the settings right here at the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Once you click on the settings, you can now click on apps and sales channels. And from here, you just need to click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now to open up this Shopify App Store, go to the search box at the top and type right here PageFly. Press enter on your keyboard. Now here on the results, you will need to select this purple icon. So PageFly landing page builder. So click this one here. And you can basically read all the details about this PageFly to basically have a knowledge about it. And if you're going to scroll it down, you will find the subscription plan. If you're going to select on a free plan, then you can create one page builder and then all app features and theme sections 24/7 live chat support. If you want to create more page, then you just have to select the additional subscription here, $24 a month or $99 a month with unlimited published pages. So once you have just select this app right here, just need to click on the install button. Now on the next page, you just have to continue setting up the installation process. All right, so from here, just need to click on the install button right here. And then on the next page, you just have to set up your page builder. So here you will find an option or settings that you have to choose. So here I'm going to pin this page. So I have the easy access. Now we're going to enable this UI or enable UI optimization. And then what do you want to create first? So in this case, I'm going to select page and click on next right here. Now just need to choose the page type if you want regular page, home page, product page, if you want collection page, blog post, or password. In this case, I'm going to select homepage. And then once you click on the homepage here, click on the start creating button, which is the next button here. Right? Then you will now directly go to this page editor. Now we need to enable PageFly theme extension to basically access the feature. So from here, as you can see on the left panel, we have some options here. Right, if we're going to hover our mouse, we have page content, elements, third-party elements, page templates, and page settings. Now, the easiest way to get started is by going to page templates. So to get started here creating your page, go to page templates. Once you click on this one, then you will find a bunch of templates that you can basically use in order to create a stunning landing page on your Shopify store. So here you'll find different designs, different page. You just have to choose any of the design depending on your brand and depending on your preference. And we have also here some settings at the top. You can basically filter the result. For example, if you are going to click on type, industry, style, feature, or collection. So here on type, you can select about us page, if it's landing, contact, homepage, product, collection, blog post, password, or advertorial. So here I'm just going to select on homepage. So let's see the result here. You can also select the industry, style, and the features. So you can just basically customize the filter to show up what themes that you want to your Shopify store. So here I'm going to select the homepage and then the industry Right here, I'm going to select clothing because I have a clothing store here on Shopify. And then we can just scroll down and find the theme that you want to your landing page. So in order to see the theme, you can preview like this one here. For example, you can see at the bottom, there's a option here to preview the page. You click on preview, and yeah, you will directly go to the page editor. As you can see, you will find the preview of this page. Now, if you're okay with this one, click on the select button at the bottom right, and I understand what I'm doing, then click on confirm. And there you have it. We can now customize this page. So we have the features right here on the left panel. We have the PageFly body. You can add some sections. In order to add some section here, just need to click on it and add some rows. So you can also click on the elements you want to edit or customize here. For example, you can just go to desktop view, laptop view. You can go to a tablet view or phone view. So in this case, I'm going to select on laptop view. And here we can edit and customize our page. So for example, I'm going to edit this section here, or the font or the text, and change it into quick how-tos. And then on the right panel, you will find here some of the options. You can change the font, you can change the heading, the content. For example, here I'm going to edit, subscribe to get a 50% discount. And we have also some elements here, and you can basically delete elements that you don't want to your page. And don't forget to add the call to action button right here. You can just set up. So basically, you can change the text right here if you want to change that up now to a buy now button. So you just have to customize right over here. So if you're okay with this one and finish editing and customizing your page builder or your page on your Shopify, you may have to preview your page before publish your page. So here I'm going to publish this page here, and publishing page, we have to wait for a few seconds here. And once you've done, you can now go back to your theme, and basically you just have to wait for a few seconds until it shows up right over here. Right? If you're going to online store and click on the themes right here and click on customize, and here you will find your landing page, right? So if you click on customize, and here, there you go, and then you just have to wait here, just click on refresh. And then if you're going to scroll down, then you will find your page. Right, so there you have it. Now if we're going to preview this one and see our live website, and click on three dots right here, and then click on view. And there you have it. We have just created our landing page using our PageFly app on Shopify. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.